According to a major new report from the New York Times, it looks like Donald Trump's former super PAC that shut down late last year, Make America Great Again, funneled $155,000 to Donald Trump's wife, Melania, and we don't really have a clear explanation as to why. This information, of course, was revealed by the New York Times based on the recent financial disclosures from Donald Trump himself. However, the disclosures from the actual super PAC seem to contradict what Donald Trump has in his personal financial statements. So let me read this from the New York Times to just give you the best possible picture of what happened. The money was listed on Donald Trump's personal financial disclosures as pay for a, quote, speaking engagement by Ms. Trump in the new filing. A personal financial disclosure by Mr. Trump. The $155,000 payment was made in December 2021 by Make America Great Again, which at the time was Mr. Trump's leading super PAC. Mrs. Trump's name, however, did not appear on the super PAC's list of expenditures, which were made public last year. Instead, the super PAC's report shows two payments for $125,000 and $30,000 to Designers Management Agency, which lists Mrs. Trump as a client on its website. The payments were made on December 2nd and December 3rd, 2021. In the new disclosure, Mr. Trump reported that Mrs. Trump was paid $155,000 on December 2nd, 2021. In the super PAC's filing, those two payments were labeled event planning and consulting according to Federal Election Commission's records. Federal rules are generally lax when it comes to requiring that the final destination of money be revealed. Instead, committees must disclose only the first vendor paid. But Trump, on his personal, says, oh, she did a speaking engagement, so we gave her $155,000. On the super PAC, they say, oh, well, she helped plan a dinner, so we gave her $155,000. Both of those things cannot be true at once. One of them is lying. And the problem is nobody cares who's lying. Because as that last sentence I read you said, federal laws are lax, right? Hey, as long as you say that the money went somewhere and you've got a receipt, we don't care. We don't care if you're using money to funnel it to your own family. We don't care as long as you got a receipt for it. That's how lax our campaign finance laws here in the United States really are. But the super PAC says that Melania, for a fundraiser dinner, which yes, did happen at that time, was paid the money because she helped pick out the tableware and arranging settings and picking floral arrangements. And apparently that is worth $155,000. Melania Trump walking in and saying, use these plates, use those forks, here's some flowers, so pay up $155 grand for that. So what was the money for? Did she give a speech at the dinner, or did she pick out the tableware? Did she talk about policy, or was she just giving you pretty flowers to look at? Because, again, Trump's financial statement says one thing, the super PAC's financial statement says another. We'll never know the truth. We will never know. There will not be an investigation into this. And I guarantee you, I promise you, Donald Trump's not the only one who does this. Every candidate out there that's running a super PAC is doing shady crap like this. Almost every single one of them. And the problem is, as shady as it may be, none of it's technically illegal. As long as they've got a receipt, they can funnel money. They can funnel money to whoever they want, whenever they want, for whatever they want, as long as they get that receipt and turn it in at the end of the year, right? Because that's all that matters with our campaign finance rules. You can raise as much money as you want from whoever you want. You can pay whoever you want. Just write it down on a piece of paper, and it all becomes totally legit. Hey everyone, this is Aspen. And did you know that for the low cost of $0 per day, you can subscribe to the Fair and Balanced YouTube channel? We also encourage you to like, comment, and share, but again, click that subscribe button and help Aspen not be so grumpy.